Hey everybody, we're going to do another unboxing. I got a couple of orders in this week and I thought you guys might be interested in it. I'm going to post a video about one from Stainless Steel Depot with the practice bundle, and then we have one here from Glitter Hippo. Solar Color Dust and Glitter Hippo just had their grand opening of their actual retail store in Florida, and so they were having some sales, and I decided to take advantage and order some things from Glitter Hippo. I've gotten some samples from them, but I hadn't actually ever ordered anything, so thought I would give them a try. I needed a couple of things and thought we'd check them out. So here we go. I did open it. I haven't gone through it, but I opened it, so as usual you guys wouldn't have to watch me fumble. They give their little goodie bag, just like Solar Color Dust. Excuse my hands, I'm having another outbreak, so they're looking a little wretched. But so you have a business card, spoon, which we love, our little sticker, always reminds me of middle school, and then we have a Mystical Moonbeams Chunky Mix. It's pretty. Alright. So, let's see. Glow-in-the-dark glitter, electric 80s pink. Let me see if I have my, we use our UV light here. I don't know with all the lights from the camera if it'll show or not, or if you'll be able to tell the glitter there, the glow. And this cord's not long enough, but you can kind of see it. That's pretty. If I can get a good shot for you guys of it glowing, I will do that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see down in the bag or not, but it's real pretty. It's a real shiny white, and it glows. What else is there not to love about that? All right, Bedsheet Ghost. This is another glow-in-the-dark glitter, super white, sparkly again. Excuse me. And it glows like a bluish glow. Like I said, I'll try to get a some glow-in-the-dark pictures for you guys. I'll line them up in the closet. Alright, this one is Bioluminescent River. I ordered this one because it reminded me of Firefly, the glow-in-the-dark powder that I just adore. And it glows the same color as that. It'd be perfect for like a storm tumbler or a night sky tumbler to me. Anyways, that's what I think. So yeah, that one's real pretty. Alright. Oh, now we have black paw prints. We love our fur babies around here, so I thought we could use some paw prints for either our shaker molds or... Oops. Oh, those are cute. I like those. Those are cute. So for either our shaker molds or snow globe tumblers, which I think I'm gonna make one of those pretty soon here. That's super cute. I love those. All right, Steampunk Gears. I love using gears in my UV resin necklaces and things like that, the pendants. So I thought these would be cute and something. Well, I like those. They're big too, bigger than I thought they'd be. Cute. I have to do a steampunk tumbler. Get creative on that. Figure out something to do with that. So there's those. Iridescent glitter borealis lights. Those are pretty. I don't know if you can see the iridescence. We'll maybe pour some of this one out. Okay, so here is where my video cut off, and I didn't realize it, so I don't get the rest of it on here. But here are the glow-in-the-dark ones, so you can see how pretty they are, glowing. Beautiful glow-in-the-dark glitters. I'm very impressed. But everybody stay happy, safe, and healthy out there. Please enjoy, for the most part, this whole video, and I will talk to you guys soon.